2011 60 reg Ford Fiesta 1.4 titanium, and this one's got a ton of extras. It has 72,000 miles, it's got a bit of service history, and this one is a category S from the insurance company. You can see there's no damage down this side whatsoever, apart from a cracked mirror. You need a new cover or cap for that. The front is all good, so is the top, and down that side is all good as well. Right, the damage is around the back, and this was actually done a couple of years ago, and someone's been driving around in it. With a taped up bumper, I've been pulling it off to see what damage it is, but it's too bad to fix that, so that needs to be replaced. We've already got a new bumper, so that'll be bolted on. So nice and straight and clean down there. Wheels haven't moved or anything like that. All the joins and gaps are good. It's got rear privacy glass, which is nice, and it's keyless entry. A couple of scratches there will be polished out. And around the back, this is our bump. Right, so it's got the new bumper here ready to go on, our second-hand one. It's got the bumper bar, which is probably squashed behind that. And behind here, if we can see, this has had a bit of a squash there, so that'll be straightened out. And it will always be slightly messy and untidy, but it's inside the boot where you keep the spare wheel. It doesn't do anything. It'll be covered with that carpet. And it'll be done, and no one will really care. It won't make any difference to the car how it drives. Oops, let's drop that on the floor. I don't know. So the back is good. The top, down this side, all nice. Keyless entry as well on this side, and it's got a load of extras. So we've got heated seats, and they're obviously leather as well, and they're in good nick. There's no rips and tears and stuff. And there is a decent Sony stereo with a hands-free kit. It's probably a multi-disc changer in there as well. And we've got climate control, we've got a heated screen, we've got USB, we've got an auto-dimming rear view mirror, we've got a voice control with a trip. There is auto lights, auto wipers, volume controls, electric windows, electric mirrors, which are power fold, which is nice. It has got everything. It is great. It's very rare you get a Fiesta with all these. So it's got xenon lights as well, fogs, the lot. So saying this, it's probably a £4,500 car, but it's category S. It'll be fixed, it'll be done properly. You'll be driving around the road, no one will know. But it's obviously reduces the price of it, so I'm guessing this will be advertised for $3,250, and it'll make someone a very decent car.